So welcome guys to another breakdown of this design I did a couple of weeks back. All right, so there's typically nothing much going on in this design, but as simple as it is, it's functional. All right, so whatever it is you're doing as a designer, your design has to find a way to be very functional. Alright, functional designs rock. Alright, so start by describing some things we can see before the layers reveal. So we have this Into His Court. It's actually a font called Black Signature. We also have this hymns and spiritual songs, all slabbed as the name of the font. Then we have this other one, Into His Court. I think this was developed in Adobe Illustrator. It's actually a bold font, so I really don't know the name. A stretched bold font. Alright, so then this is same all slab. Alright, same all slab here. Alright, but with different hierarchies. Then this other text too should be like, okay, this legend, then this rectangle, then this under Into His Court thingy. Then we have the picture of Kelechi Nam, the artist, and yeah, that's pretty much then the background. All right, so I'll do a layers reveal to show you what exactly is going on in this design right about now. So let me clean this all off, and once you open an artboard, this is what you have: white background, canvas to work on and draw. So I first added color fill. This particular color I was going in for something wine like. Alright, and the next thing I have is a background. So this is the background I have for this. So the blend mode of this background is soft light, and the opacity is at 30%. Alright, so this is the picture itself in normal, and the opacity at 100%. This picture you have. Alright, so but I needed something that will blend into this color, so soft light was what gave me what I needed, and the opacity at 34% was just perfect for me. So it depends so much on what exactly you want to achieve as you set off to design. All right, all parameters are predicated on what exactly you want to achieve. So the next thing I have hymns and spiritual songs with Kelechi Nam, and this particular font is all slapped with this particular shade of lemon. All right, so I have that. Then Into His Court. Right, this is actually a font. Into His Court. This is what, okay, this is Into His, then the other one down there is Court. All right, so this is Into His, and I have to position it here, and the blend with the soft light. All right, so it's soft light. Then I have the main Into His Court. All right, white font. So sometimes, most of the time, you just need to go simple on some of all these things. All right, so the next thing you have is the picture of the singer. All right, this is picture. Then I needed this picture to blend with this background, so I added the gradient map over the picture. All right, so the gradient map basically has the colors of this stuff. So you have this color here on the shadows. Right, you have this color here on the shadows, then you have a white thing, white kingy on the highlight. So I can actually change this to a different hue of the same color, but it will look so cringe on his face. So that's why white was what could have given me the best option. All right, so that's why it's there that way. Then applied it over this, and the what do you call it, the blend mode is overlay, and the opacity is at 66%. So the next thing I did was to add a hue and saturation over this down part here. Alright, I don't really know why I added that there though, well, because this gradient would have, okay, I added it because of this hand too. I needed to also put some things there, so just needed to get some things there. All right, so then I started adding text. the texts and texts. All right, so all these texts, if you notice, there's a difference in hierarchy as far as the weight is concerned. So the same text, the same font, but different weight. All right, this one is medium, different color. This one is medium, same white. This one is black. All right, same white. Okay, so the same thing with the online, the venue of the event. Same font, this one is regular, same color. This one same font, same color, but different weight. All right, so very simple stuff. This hierarchy intentionally helps you to differentiate things, or differentiate importance of information, right, in a particular design. All right, so next thing I have is my rectangle, this, then cut, which is what just comes under here. So this cut is the same thing with this into his. All right, so this cut is soft light. All right, so there you have it. Pretty much it's as simple as it is. Very, very simple functional design. I think I did this design in only one artboard, and I was able to do this in less than 10 minutes thereabouts. All right, so that's about that. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.